Let's create. So I have some halal chicken. Halal, which is a method of preparation when they're killing the chicken. Basically, in a lot of Muslim countries, they do that. And the chicken actually tastes very good when you cook it because it's not holding the blood and any of that kind of stuff. It's a strict process. So about this halal chicken, and I decided to prepare a Persian dish. Persian. It's called Khoresh. Khoresh Morgh. And the Khoresh Morgh is pretty much chicken stew, Persian style, and very easy. So I'm preheating some oil. What I'm going to do, I think I'm going to get some of the thighs in here, skinless. Yeah, let me go with the thighs. Thighs, breasts, whatever, right? So I have the thighs and breasts, and I'm going to medium high. I'm going to sear this baby, okay? Give it some character. That's about maybe 6-7 minutes overall. 6-7-8 minutes later, remove the chicken. Using the same fat, I'm going to add the onions. You can add about 1 yellow onion. Just cut, you know. If you don't have yellow onion, go white. I have actually half a large, half. I don't want too much onion, but 1 onion to be enough, 1 yellow onion. 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Let me put this a couple notches above medium, so I'm reducing the heat. Going to mix things up. And let me saute this for about 3 minutes. Couple minutes later, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of tomato paste. And let me mix things up. Tomato paste. I put this to medium now, medium heat. Reducing it, you know. Oh, how beautiful. Mix things up for about a minute or two. I had some potatoes and carrots, about 2 or 3 carrots, and about 3 or 4 potatoes. I have white potatoes because they can hold the stew without breaking or getting mushy. Going to mix this up. How beautiful. Let me add some chicken stock. If you don't have stock, go with water. So I have maybe 2 or 3 cups. This one you have to do by eyes. Let me increase the heat. I have some shredded tomato or grated tomato. I'm going to add it now. In essence, I had a tomato which I grated. I'm going to add it here. Fresh tomato, huh? fresh tomato. Add some dry lime. Dry lime. And I'm going to add a handful of them. Oh, the smell delicious. Dry lime. Special Persian dish. Going to mix things up. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Skinless. I have this one skinless. Halal chicken. You don't see all the blood stuff, impurities, any of that. You're going to enjoy this dish. Oh, look at this beauty. What I'm going to do now, I think I have enough. 3 cups was probably enough stock. You can go with 4. But I'm going to cook this for an hour. Couple notches above medium. 1 hour, okay? You might check it out a couple times in between to make sure it doesn't dry. But now you go for an hour, okay? It's been an hour. Let me remove this. Oh, yeah. So what I'm going to do now, let me reduce it here a little bit to couple notches below medium. So I have here some cumin, the seed type. I have about a teaspoon, some pepper, black pepper, salt to taste, and I have about a couple teaspoons of cinnamon. And I'm going to add these babies here. Oh, it smells delicious. And I'm going to mix it up. What I'm going to do now, I ordered a while back some saffron. And this one is Persian, okay? So mixing everything up. And now I'm going to bring the saffron. This one I ordered from an importer that import saffron from Spain and Persian saffron. This does last you forever. So I'm going to let this go for another 5, maybe 10 minutes, okay? Lower heat. And by the way, I already cooked some French fries too, because that's what it goes with this. This is how you eat it if you were in Iran or Persian. You know, like Persians, which is the same. People don't know that Persian means Iranian. You eat it with some French fries. Look at this baby. Look at this baby.